In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota RAV4 key fob to change the internal battery at home. This is a very easy process, but you will need one of these CR1632 batteries. If you'd like to get one of those online, I will put a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. The first step is to look to the side of the device, and you can see there's that little button that says push. Hold that down and pull out the internal key. Right here we can see the keyhole, and right next to it there is a little slot in the plastic perpendicular to the keyhole. So there we go, keyhole, and this is where I am talking about. You're going to use a regular flathead screwdriver to go into that area, and you're just going to twist the screwdriver. That will open this thing right up. Set this to the side for now. Set that down, and we will be just gently pulling out this circuit board that also houses the battery. Up here in the corner, you can see that little opening there. It's like a little empty space. We're going to use the same flathead screwdriver and go in with the corner of the screwdriver and just pry this thing out. So hold your battery down a little bit and just get in there. It will pop out. It just takes a little pressure in the right place. Just get under the battery and kind of pry it. There we go. Once more, this is a CR1632 battery. Make sure that is what you're getting. And if you don't know where to find that, the link will be in the description for you. And make sure when you're putting your new battery in that this positive side is going face up. Just click that into place. And now we can put it all back together. So on the back piece of plastic here, you can see on the inside there is a little circle with some text in there. The battery is going to sit directly on top of that circle. So set that in there till it sits nicely, and then we can just click the two halves back together. It's really easy, and just go ahead and put your key back in there. So hope that was simple enough, and I hope that helped you out. If it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or just give this video a like so it can reach more people and help them out too. And if you ever need to change another battery in any of your key fobs, remember we have tutorials here on YouTube for every maker model pretty much. And you can also check us out directly at our website, fobbattery.com.